Welcome to Elevate English. Elevate your English. Elevate your life. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe to the Elevate English channel. Let's start our story.
Title: The Sound of Your Smile. Introduction. In the bustling streets of Mumbai, Ria, a 26-year-old music therapist, spends her days helping children with special needs find their voice through melody. Despite her vibrant personality and deep love for music, she feels like something is missing in her life. On the other hand, Kabir, a 28-year-old software engineer, lives in a silent world. After losing his hearing in an accident 3 years ago, Kabir withdrew from life's chaos, finding solace in coding and solitude. His family pushes him to rejoin the world, but Kabir believes silence is safer. The first meeting. One rainy evening, Kabir is dragged to a local charity event by his persistent sister. Ria is performing there with her students, playing a soothing tune on her guitar. Though Kabir can't hear the music, he notices her radiant smile and the way her fingers move on the strings, almost as if they're painting a picture. When the event ends, Ria accidentally bumps into Kabir. She apologizes, but he gestures that he can't hear. Surprised but intrigued, Ria offers him a warm smile and scribbles on a napkin, "You don't need sound to feel music." Kabir, skeptical but curious, pockets the note. 3. Building connection. Over the next few weeks, Kabir begins attending Ria's therapy sessions, watching as she uses vibrations, rhythms, and hand gestures to connect with the children. Ria takes it as a challenge to show Kabir that music is more than sound. It's emotion, rhythm, and connection. Slowly, they start communicating through texts, handwritten notes, and expressive gestures. Kabir surprises himself by laughing at Ria's animated stories, and Ria finds joy in Kabir's rare but heartfelt smiles. Growing feelings. One day, Ria brings Kabir to the beach at sunrise with a small drum. She places his hands on it and starts drumming lightly, letting him feel the vibrations. She then taps out a rhythm on his arm, and Kabir instinctively mimics it. For the first time in years, he feels connected to something beyond himself. Ria notices Kabir's newfound confidence and starts falling for him, but Kabir hesitates. He fears his inability to hear will always hold him back, and that Ria deserves someone who can fully share her world. 5. The conflict. During a heated moment, Kabir expresses his doubts, saying, "You deserve someone who can hear you, who can share your world completely." Hurt but determined, Ria responds, "Love isn't about hearing, Kabir. It's about understanding." She walks away, leaving Kabir to grapple with his insecurities. 6. The turning point. A week later, Kabir visits one of Ria's therapy sessions, unannounced. He sees her teaching a group of kids to clap along to a rhythm by feeling the vibrations of a bass speaker. Inspired, Kabir steps forward and joins in, clumsily at first, but improving as he goes. Ria watches, her heart swelling with pride. After the session, Kabir hands her a note. "You taught me to feel the world again. Let me feel it with you." 7. Resolution. Kabir and Ria start creating music together. She plays, and he feels the beats and rhythms through touch. Their bond deepens as they learn to bridge their worlds. Kabir takes sign language lessons to better express himself, while Ria learns to incorporate more tactile methods into her music. Their relationship blossoms, proving that love doesn't need to rely on words or sound. It can thrive in the quietest, most heartfelt moments. One evening, under a starlit sky, Kabir surprises Ria by playing a simple rhythm on the drum, a rhythm that matches her heartbeat. She smiles through tears, knowing that in Kabir she's found the perfect harmony. The end. This story highlights love's ability to transcend barriers and celebrates the beauty of connection through understanding and shared experiences.